हाँ सर।
Hello friends, once again I am with you live in live video class. After a long time we are meeting. So how are you all? All are okay? So today we will discuss few sentences with Hindi meaning. So, are you ready? Shall I start the class? Okay. So, as you know, Hindi is a very typical language and its pronunciation means a lot. Suppose you buy a book and you start learning Hindi with books. Definitely you will get Hindi sentences converted into English or English converted into Hindi. But what about the pronunciation? Right? So for this you have to be guided by an expert person. Right? You need the teaching or guidance of an expert or master. Especially European people, their accent is very fast. Sometimes one cannot understand what they are saying, and Hindi needed very clear uttering. Hindi needed clear uttering. Like when I say ki मैं, I, right? मैं, not me. Whatever you speak, it should be in very proper manner. Friends, I'll give you an example. There was a lady who was teaching his son a song, right? Hindi song, and they belongs to US. There was a song, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता. Like there was a word विजय. दूसरों की जय से पहले खुद की जय करें. जय and विजय. There were two words. Jay and Vijay. Vijay means win. So that lady was telling her son, बेटा से दूसरों की जय से पहले खुद को विजय करें. विजय. It's a very simple for we people when as an Indian, right? As an Indian, Vijay Shabd word is very easy for us. But when an European or foreigner person utter this word, definitely they have difficulty for uttering very properly. So that boy was हमको इतनी शक्ति देना विजय 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 like this. So when you are not pronouncing very properly, so your impression will be not up to the mark, right? So it's needed guidance. Whichever language you want to learn, you need guidance. Only books or apps cannot help you, because you want to become a good in that language, na? And it needed proper guidance. That's why I am just doing exercise for this, that if you are learning Hindi with me, you should be very good in Hindi and you should utter very properly and your pronunciation should be like an Indian person, right? So like मैं MAI, when we write in English मैं, MAI, मैं, not मैं एक विद्यार्थी हूं, I am a student, I am a student. See, when we speak in English, I am a student, I am a student. See, when a new person who just started learning in English, what he will pronounce? I am a student. When flow comes, I am a student, I am a student, right? Same is with Hindi. In initial stage, you have to be very careful, but when you will be becoming perfect, you can have the flow, so there will be no problem for you. But initial stage is very crucial. Initially when you start Hindi, so you should be very careful about pronunciation. Especially I need my students should utter very properly, their pronunciation should be very correct and very proper. See, being a Maharashtrian, I am a Maharashtrian guy, we people are having very good pronunciation or clarity in our sound. Even very difficult words which are really difficult for an Indian people, we utter very properly, we pronounce very properly, because it's a Marathi language is very close to Sanskrit, and Sanskrit is the purest form of language. It's a mother of every Indian language, Sanskrit. Sanskrit is a mother of all Indian languages. So this is very near, close to Marathi language is very close to Sanskrit. So Maharashtrian people are having very good pronunciation wherever they are, whichever field they opt, but their pronunciation is very clear and very like in Hindi वैसे बहुत स्पष्ट बोलते हैं, clear. Their uttering is very clear. Like there is a word Kshatriya, Raja Ram Kshatriya थे, Kshatriya. See the pronunciation of Ksha, KSH. We use KSH, Ksha. Many people pronounce it Ksha. This is Ksha. This is the clarity. Ksha, Kshatriya, Kshatriya. Many people use Kshatriya, but actual alphabet is Ksha. We use KSH for Ksha, Kshatriya. राजा राम एक क्षत्रिय थे. Raja Ram was a Kshatriya. It is their caste. Kshatriya, right? So this type of clearance or clarity is very much needed while you are learning a language. There is a alphabet Sa, and the other is Sh and then Sh. Sa, Sh, Sh. See the difference. Sa, S. Sa we denote with S, S, and sh, sh. What we denote? sh, sh. Like we use shahar, city, shahar, city, shahar, city, city, that is shahar, and when we say all, sab, see the difference, sab and shahar. We use S for sub, all. When we talk about all, we say sub, and shahar, city, shahar. You can differentiate both the sa and sha. Like in English, we use homophones, right? Sa, sahar, and shahar. Sahar is Urdu word. Shahar is Hindi. Shahar means city. Shahar. And this is the difference in Hindi. So every alphabet should be used very properly, and your uttering should be very, very proper. So I stress for this thing. Yes, whenever you speak, your uttering should be very clear, pronunciation should be very clear. Ma, not ma. Ma, mother. What we say? Ma, not ma. Ma and ma. When we use ma for mother, MAAN, ma. Little bit nose is used when we utter ma. Ma, not ma. Ma means MAA, ma. If you concentrate very properly, you can understand what I am saying. Ma, MAAN, ma for mother, right? And simple we use MAAA, ma. It can be mama. It can be mama. Mama means mother's brother, maternal uncle, mama, right? But when we say ma for mother, ma, little bit no still use, right? Ma, आप कैसी हैं? माँ आप क्या कर रही हैं? माँ, what are you doing? Ma, how are you? Ma, not ma. Ma, there is a difference between ma and ma. Like we use MAA, ma, simple ma plus one matra a, ma, right? But when we use ma as mother, so ma plus one straight line, and there is a Chandra Bindi, we say Chandra Bindi, ma. Simple MAA, ma. That is ma plus there is one straight line, ma. But when we use ma as mother, MAAN, ma. Yes, as new learner or beginner, definitely it will be very difficult for you, but I am sure, I am 100% sure, you will gain victory through your practice. For learning everything, it's need a great hard work and continuous rigorous practice, and honesty should be there for yourself only. Honesty towards yourself, because you are a learner. You want to learn Hindi, you have to be there with full of courage and full of compassion, not to show others ki yes, I am learning Hindi. If you are promising towards your goal, everything will be very easy for you. I hope in next video we will come with few more things. So during this, if you have any problem or any query, you can contact us through Facebook page or WhatsApp group, or you can comment. There are so many platforms where you can come and talk to us. If you don't want to come in a group, you can comment us, you can ask in page or WhatsApp group. We will clear all your doubts and your queries. I hope you all are busy with your learning. Keep going. Take care. Bye-bye.